We are going to review top 5 best DDR4 memory with RGB. Let's get started. List number 1. XTREEM ARGB 16GB DDR4. With a CAS latency of 14, the XTREEM kit leads the way in low latency RAM favored by gaming PCs, especially AMD Ryzen rigs. As such, it takes the top spot as our pick for the best RAM for gaming. Not all that long ago a kit as well-rounded on both price and performance would have been a distant dream. However, a recent DRAM price crash and an increasing process maturity in DDR4 production means kits such as this can often be found for far less than they would have been only a couple of years ago. That's great news for those of you eyeing up AMD's Ryzen CPUs, which favor a memory clock around the 3600 MHz mark. List number 2. PATRIOT Viper RGB DDR4 3600, 2x8GB. PATRIOT bucks the trend of pairing cosmetic features with mainstream DRAM ICs, instead pushing data rates up to 4133 MHz on its Viper RGB. This DDR4 3600 kit is more than the white LED version and several dollars cheaper than competing products with similar latency. That makes it a great value at this speed, though slower kits have greater pricing advantages. The fastest DDR4 3600 kit we've tested, PATRIOT's Viper RGB DDR4 3600 kit provides great value to buyers who want both Go, overclocking capability, and Show, RGB LEDs. List number 3. G.SKILL TRIDENT Z RGB. At this point, everyone kind of knows about G.SKILL and its TRIDENT Z RGB series of RAM. This is some of the best RAM not just because it's fast, but the top of every DIMM features a full-spectrum rainbow wave light bar that you can use to match your RGB lighting across your entire system. TRIDENT Z RGB DDR4 RAM features CAS latencies between 14 and 19, which is awesome enough, but with speeds up to 4266, it's almost perfect. No matter your aesthetic, it's hard to argue with the G.SKILL TRIDENT's RGB as the best RGB RAM. Excellent RGB lighting. Easy to overclock. List number 4. Crucial BALLISTIX Standard RGB DDR4. This 16GB memory kit offers great performance for the money and operates at high speeds. Latencies are pretty good no matter the speed, and the memory itself solid overclocking potential. You should be able to overclock this RAM without issues thanks to the Intel XMP 2.0 support. Just make sure you have a quality motherboard. Memory supports third-party RGB controllers, which is another plus. Further, you can replace default light bars with custom 3D printed ones. This is an awesome feature that makes this memory the best RGB RAM you can get. Overall, this is the best DDR4 RAM for users looking for a customizable RGB memory. Support for many third-party RGB apps. List number 5. CORSAIR Dominator Platinum RGB. CORSAIR has outdone itself with the Dominator Platinum RGB. The original DDR4 kit has been our favorite high-end memory bundle for quite some time now. Its sleek exterior, patented DHX cooling technology, and unrivaled performance have made it a formidable flagship over the years, often topping our best RAM for gaming list. Now, the iconic Dominator Platinum is back with a stealthy new design and CORSAIR's new Cappellix LED technology. The Dominator Platinum RGB takes the same best-in-class performance of the original, adds higher clocked SKUs and 12 individually addressable Cappellix RGB LEDs. The new LEDs are brighter and more efficient than previous iterations, and are only available from CORSAIR.